Welcome back to Auto Street, your go-to destination for the most luxurious, powerful, and advanced machines on the road. Today, we're diving deep into a car that redefines automotive opulence. This isn't just another luxury sedan, it's the pinnacle of craftsmanship, innovation, and performance. I'm talking about the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class S680. If you're into quiet power, unmatched elegance, and tech that feels like it's from the future, then stay tuned because this one's for you. Let's start with the presence. The Maybach S680 is not a car that screams for attention, but when it passes, you can't help but look. The exterior is elegant and imposing at the same time. It stretches over 5.5 meters long, and every inch of it speaks of refined luxury. The design language is unmistakably S-Class, but with Maybach exclusive elements that elevate it to another level. The iconic grille is vertically slatted, whiter, and wears the Maybach name proudly. Chrome details are tastefully applied, from the lower bumper to the window surrounds, and even on the side skirts. The two-tone paint finish is optional, but highly recommended if you want to make a true statement. It's done by hand, takes almost a week to complete, and trust me, it shows. The wheels are 20-inch multi-spoke Maybach designs that complement the car's long, flowing silhouette. At the rear, it's subtle, no wild exhaust tips or diffuser madness here. Just clean lines, soft curves, and a discreet Maybach badge. The car's air suspension gives it a poised stance, while the rear-wheel steering system helps it maneuver like a car much smaller than its size. It's classy, restrained, and dripping with sophistication. But it's when you step inside that the real Maybach experience begins. The interior is not just a place to sit, it's a sanctuary. Everything inside the S680 is designed to pamper its occupants, especially those sitting in the rear. The materials used are the finest money can buy: Nappa leather that wraps around the seats, the dash, the door panels, even the ceiling. You've got real wood trims, aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting that lets you set the mood exactly how you want. The rear cabin is where the S680 truly separates itself from any regular luxury sedan. The two executive rear seats recline, massage, heat, cool, and even come with calf rests. There's a refrigerated compartment between the seats, complete with silver-plated champagne flutes. Touchscreen controllers are built into the rear armrest. There are dual 11.6-inch entertainment screens, fold-out tables, and even a dedicated tablet to control lighting, blinds, climate, and multimedia. Need to take a call? Activate the Maybach exclusive intercom. Need complete silence? Activate the noise cancellation that uses the Burmester 4D sound system to block out external noise with counter frequencies. Up front, the digital dash is a 12.3-inch OLED display paired with a 12.8-inch OLED central touch screen. MBUX is at the heart of it all, a Mercedes intelligent infotainment system that learns your habits, responds to natural language, and can control almost everything in the car with just your voice. The 3D driver display creates a real sense of depth, and the head-up display gives you augmented reality guidance directly in your field of view. The steering wheel, covered in wood and leather, feels like you're holding precision in your hands. Under the hood of the Maybach S680 lies a 6.0-liter V12 bi-turbo engine that produces 621 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque. Yes, a V12, something that's becoming a rarity in the modern automotive world. It's paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. This beast moves from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, despite weighing over 5,200 pounds. But this isn't a car about raw speed, it's about delivering it effortlessly. You press the accelerator, and the power just flows. Smooth, linear, and always quiet. You barely hear the engine, you just feel the surge. The ride is what truly makes it special. Thanks to e-active body control, the car anticipates road imperfections using cameras and adjusts each wheel independently. That means potholes, bumps, or even road camber are almost entirely neutralized. It floats, but with absolute control. Turn into a corner and the rear wheel steering makes it feel nimble. Hit the highway and it's like gliding on air. Even wind noise is minimal thanks to acoustic glass and the Maybach-specific insulation package. Now, let's talk pricing. As of now, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class S680 starts at around $235,000 US. But let's be real, once you start adding custom two-tone paint, premium interior packages, and other Maybach exclusive options, you're easily crossing the $260,000 mark. And for those who want true exclusivity, Mercedes offers bespoke options through their manufacturer program, where you can customize colors, materials, stitching, even logos. This isn't just buying a car, it's commissioning a rolling piece of art. Fuel economy? Well, it's not why you're buying a V12 Maybach, but it gets an EPA-rated 12 mpg city and 20 mpg highway. Again, this car isn't about efficiency, it's about delivering an unmatched experience on the road. So, who is the S680 for? It's for those who demand the best, without compromise. It's for those who want to be driven in first class, but also have the option to take the wheel and enjoy the thrill of effortless power. It's not just a luxury sedan, it's a statement. One that says you've arrived, and you didn't settle for second best. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class S680, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to AutoStreet, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on any upcoming luxury car reviews. Let me know in the comments what car you want me to cover next. This is AutoStreet, where luxury meets performance, and we bring the best.